Hi, I'm Peter Mallouk. This is 1,000 Miles from Wall Street. I'm here with tax directors Candace Varner, who also runs our tax practice here, and Ben Hake. And glad to have you both with us.
Thank you for having us.
And we're going to talk a little bit about how to take the tax world, which is super boring to people like me, but I know, but it's you guys make it so much fun. So I'm glad you guys are with us. And talk to us about the first tax season, Candace. The first tax season under the new tax laws. What's different?
Well, a lot of things are different. For us, there was some logistical concerns. A lot of clients got their information a lot later than they're used to, and a lot of clients got corrected information. So that caused a lot of frustration for pretty much everyone across the board, but us specifically. But what it really underscored for us, and what I heard a lot about in the news and talked to some of our clients about, is that a lot of taxes is psychological, and they need to know what to expect. We heard a lot in the news about clients who were, or not our clients, but other people who were surprised at what they owed or thought they were going to get a big refund. And all of those stories really just showed me that they really don't understand what goes into their tax return or how their taxes are computed.
Well, yeah, I think that's a very safe.
Even the simplest ones, they don't.
I would say that, I don't understand, exactly how everything plays out, which I know is shocking to you. Yeah,
it is. And more just to someone thinking the difference between their withholding and their actual taxes, and understanding that those are not the same thing.
And so, specifically, what do you think about the new tax law created this?
Well, last year in February, when the new tax law, after it had been in effect, the IRS issued new withholding tables. So they automatically adjusted everybody who was a wage earner, automatically adjusted their withholding. But it was not often accurate to their actual tax liability.
What could go wrong?
Yeah, what could go wrong? Yeah. But most people don't check their withholding, and they think, hey, they're withholding my taxes, everything's fine, I'm going to be fine. And then they wait till the end of the year or till April to find out that that's not the case.
Right.
So that was the surprise, I think, for a lot of people. But for our clients, it was just really drove home the fact that we want to talk to them all year long, because this isn't something we can decide in April. They want to talk to me, or I want to talk to them now when they don't want to talk to me.
That's right. And so, Ben, and to make it matters worse, just because as if it's not complicated enough, every state kind of conformed in their own way on their own time, or not at all, right?
Exactly. And a lot of them, even like states like Virginia, it was in April that we found out that what they were going to do. And so it did help out. A lot of people were concerned about the loss of real estate taxes or state and local taxes. And maybe not surprisingly, the states on the coast like California and New York, a lot of them elected to just say, we're not going to follow the IRS anymore. We're going to go our own route. So real estate taxes are still deductible. So a lot of those states that had large tax liabilities anyway, the clients were able to kind of benefit from some of those deductions.
So it's basically just a big reset. And so some people got a break, some people paid more, nobody knew what the hell was going on. And I think the key is communication in the off season, which I know you and your team do a great job of trying to communicate with people in the off season, so they know what needs to happen towards the end of the year and what's going to happen at tax times. Thanks for being with us.
Excellent. Thanks for having us.
This commentary is provided for general information purposes only and should not be construed as investment, tax, or legal advice. Past performance of any market results is no assurance of future performance. The information contained herein has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable but is not guaranteed.